single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo and in today's video I'm going to review the newly launched Sugar On The Go kit by Sugar Cosmetics. Now, as Sugar Cosmetics says, this is a specially designed preppy kit which is a perfect travel partner when you are traveling light. With 4 makeup essentials to satisfy all your beauty needs and a super cool merchandise, this is a complete attention stealer. This bag is apt for carrying all your must-haves anytime, anywhere. Nothing shouts travel friendly as this one does. Inside it, we got a Sugar Smudge Me Not Shade Number 3 Tan Fan. We got Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal. We got a Contour de Force Mini Highlighter and Contour de Force Mini Blush. This merchandise also includes an efficient mirror, a super cute crunchy for your hair, a writing pad and a pen. Without further ado, let's get started with the video and please continue to watch the entire video. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. So let's get started. So beauties, flaunt this makeup look using the Sugar on the Go kit by Sugar Cosmetics. You are beautiful just the way you are, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. For your convenience, I've listed all the product details below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.